please, let's solve this Math Olympiad problem together. If you can do it, kindly pause the video to your own, then come back and check your result. Now, if y to the power of 20 equals 2 to the power of 10y, so what will be the value of y? Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start from here. If I have y to the power of 20 equals 2 to the power of 10y. Now, look at the power. I want to reduce the power. So, if I divide this power by 10, and I divide this also by 10, so I can reduce it by having 20 divided by 10, we're going to have what? We're going to have 2. Equals, here, we're going to have 2 to the power of 10 divided by 10, we have 1. So, we have y. So, actually, what we did here is that we reduced this equation to this. Now, the next thing we're going to do, having this, what's the next thing we're going to do? The next thing we're going to do is that the power here also, let me multiply this power by 1 over 2y. Then also, to the right hand side, I'm going to be having y multiplied by 1 over 2y. So what do you think we're going to have here? You can see that these two, we cancel these two here because multiplication, division here, 2 times 1, 2 over, we have y. Okay, let me write it. 2 times 1, 2y equals 2. Then 1 times y, we have y all over 2y. So now from here, you can see 2, we cancel these 2 here. We have y to be 1 over y equals 2. You see that y, we cancel y, we have 1 over 2. Now, looking at this, you can see we have y raised to its reciprocal. 2 raised to its reciprocal. So now when you look at this, you can see that the bases are the same here and the denominators are the same here. Now, by comparison, you can see that y equals 2. And that is the solution. Okay. Now, if y equals 2, let's check and put the value of what? Of y here. Check. Y to the power of 20 equals 2, then to the power of. So now here we have y to the power of 20 equals, y is 2. We have 2. Then here is we have 2. We have 10 multiplying 2. So 2 to the power of 20, you can see is equal to the 10 times 2, we have 20. So there you see, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So which shows that the value of y we got, that is y equals 2, is the valid solution to this problem. If you enjoyed this class, please share this to your friends. Let them benefit from it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content like this. Bye-bye.